In this video, we're going to take you through a beginner's guide to trading on OKX. And we'll walk you through a full beginner's guide showing you everything you need to get started, including how to deposit or purchase your first crypto, how to swap and create simple trades such as market and limit orders, how to earn interest, and then finally how to sell and withdraw your crypto. For more information, please check out everybethelps.io. And we'll also have a timeline in the summary below for those looking to jump to specific parts of this tutorial. First up, a little bit about OKX. OKX, formerly known as OKEX, is more than just a platform for buying and selling digital currencies. It's a comprehensive ecosystem that caters to a wide range of crypto-related activities. Founded in 2017, OKX has grown rapidly, establishing itself as a global leader in the cryptocurrency exchange space. With its headquarters in Malta, a hub for blockchain technology, OKX empowers users to trade and invest in a diverse range of digital assets. One of the standout features of OKX is its extensive range of trading options. From spot trading to futures, options and perpetual swaps, OKX offers a variety of ways to trade. And this flexibility makes it an attractive platform for both beginners and experienced traders. But what really sets OKX apart is its commitment to innovation and security. And the platform offers state-of-the-art security measures, ensuring that users' assets are protected at all times. And this is obviously crucial in an industry where security is paramount. OKX also have their own OKX ecosystem, including a wallet, NFT marketplace, and even its own blockchain, the OKX chain, and a user-friendly mobile app designed with the user in mind. The app simplifies the process for buying, selling, and trading digital assets, making it accessible to even those that are new to the crypto world. We're going to be focusing on the desktop version today, but if you do want to have a mobile app tutorial instead, I'll pop a link in the summary. So let's jump in. And if we head across to okx.com, where you're then going to be prompted to sign up or log in. If you don't already have an account, I'll have a link in the summary, which may be promotional depending on the time that you're watching this video, so it is worth checking out. When you create an account with OKX, you're going to be asked to provide your personal information. And you may also be asked to verify this for KYC, which is known as Know Your Customer, and that's a standard for most crypto exchanges. Now I've already got an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in now. The first place that we're going to start is by setting up some security. We'd recommend adding security to your account before you go ahead and start depositing any crypto or buying crypto on any type of crypto exchange, which you can do from under your profile icon and then security. And here is where you can enable methods such as passkeys and 2FA. Heading back now, you'll see here that from the top of the screen, we're on the Exchange tab. And as I said at the beginning, OKX do also have their own wallet, which is Web3 and can be used for trading, NFTs, DeFi and dApps, but today we're just going to be focusing on the exchange. Before we start trading on OKX, you're going to need to have some crypto to trade with. We're going to take a look at buy crypto first, so that if you are brand new to crypto and you don't already have any crypto at all to get started with, you can buy some from here. And there's several options that you can use to buy crypto. Let's choose Express Buy for now, as there is the most amount of buying options here. At the moment, we're on the Buy tab, but you can also sell, which we're going to take a look at later. And it gives you some options for what currency you're buying with. So I could toggle that from euros to GBP, for example. Then you choose the crypto that you'd like to buy. For the purposes of today's tutorial, I'm going to be choosing to buy USDT, and that's a stable coin, a crypto that's pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, and therefore it's most like buying crypto with USD. However, as you can see, you can also buy the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and their own OKB token. You then enter the amount that you'd like to buy, and there is a minimum of £13, but this will vary depending on the currency that you've selected in your location. I'm going to enter £100 now, and it'll then show how many USDT I'm going to get for that £100. If I choose Buy USDT, it then shows the different buy options available. So I can pay for this fee-free with verified merchants, and this process is also called P2P Express or peer-to-peer. And I can pay for this using Revolut, where I'm currently going to get the best price, bank transfer, or I can use Wise. And I've also got Revolut and Wise tutorials available if you want to check those out. Alternatively, if you wanted to pay with card, Apple Pay, etc., they also have some third-party providers that you can use here. Just be aware of any hidden charges and fees that may be included with these. Then choose Next. When you confirm your buy, you're going to be provided with the instructions of where to send your funds to. And your funds will then appear under Assets and then My Assets. This page will then show my balance or estimated total value, which you can view in different currencies, as well as how that balance is tracking over time. Over on the right-hand side of the screen is a list of crypto that I already have in OKX, and this will mirror any that I currently have using over on a mobile app, for example. If you already have some crypto for trading and you want to deposit it and essentially send it to OKX, then to send your crypto to OKX, you're first going to need your wallet or your deposit address to send it to. You can find the deposit icon in a couple of different places on OKX, either from the overview screen here, or you can choose Assets and then Deposit. Then select the crypto that you want to send to OKX. In this example, I'll show USDT again, but the same would apply for any crypto that you're sending. You're then going to be prompted to select a deposit network, and this is whatever you're sending your crypto on. Just be aware here though that some networks aren't supported by OKX, such as the Binance Smart Chain, where you're then presented with a QR code for scanning with a mobile device, or a deposit address that you can copy and paste. It will also show any minimum amounts or estimated times for the deposit to arrive. For example, if you're sending it from another exchange like Binance or Coinbase, you can simply paste this address into the To field when you choose to withdraw. Or if you're sending it from a wallet like a Ledger, you will again paste or scan the QR code over on Ledger Live. Then, when you have your crypto in OKX, either via buying or depositing, then we can look at the different markets, which we can reach under the Discover tab from the top of the screen. And the markets will allow you to view the latest prices for hundreds of digital assets listed on OKX, along with their daily price, change and market cap statistics. So if you're looking to trade for a specific crypto, you can search for it from here. Or you can also filter through some different categories. Under Discover, you'll also find Opportunities, and this lists any hot trading pairs, which is essentially what people are trading from and to. It also shows some gainers, losers, new tokens, trending, and by market cap. And you'll also see that there's an option for copy trading under Discover too. Now this isn't something we're going to be covering today, but it's a way that you can mimic traders' movements and trades. This does really need its own tutorial, and it's slightly off of topic of this beginner's guide to trading on OKX. So let's choose Trade from the top of the screen now. Here we've got a few different options available. So you can choose to convert, you can create basic trades, derivatives and margin, copy trade and demo trade. Today, we're going to be focusing on convert and basic trades for this beginner's guide. First, let's take a look at how to convert. So you can state that you currently have one crypto and you'd like to convert it to another. So I've got some Ethereum here, but I'd like to convert it to USDT. And I can do so from here by entering in the amount of Ethereum that I'd like to swap, and the conversion will then appear below. When I preview, it then provides a breakdown of the conversion, and I can go ahead here. And your newly converted assets will then be immediately available from your assets page, where you can also check out some recent transactions at the bottom of the screen. What I'd like to do next is take a look at some basic trading. So let's choose Trade, and then Basic Trading. Now these trading screens do initially look a little bit daunting, with lots of flashing lights and charts, but I'm going to talk you through all of these now. So we're going to be looking at manual trading as opposed to trading bots, which is slightly more advanced. To the right of that, we then have our trading pair that screen and all the numbers relate to. When I click onto the drop down here, I can view all the available trading pairs, which, as I explained earlier, is what you're trading from and to. And I'm going to be trading USDT for BTC. So I'm going to select that pair, and then all of the screens then reflect this pairing. To the right of the pair, we can then view the current price, the amount in USD, 24-hour low, high, volume and turnover. On the right of that, with the numbers in red and green, we've got the order book, and this has potential sell orders in red and buy orders in green. The chart in the centre then displays the buy and sell orders, which you can view over specific time periods to help you to analyse the markets. Over on the far left is the markets again, and under the chart we then have where we can actually place our orders. And these are split between buy on the left with the green button or sell on the right with the red button beneath. We're going to start with buy. And the first order that I'm going to place is a market order, so I'm going to select market. Now, placing a market order essentially means that we're going to be buying at the current market price. And I'm going to show you limit and TPSL shortly, which stands for take profit and stop loss. To place a market order, you then enter the amount of crypto that you'd like to swap or trade, or you can use the slider below to select a percentage of your portfolio. And it shows your available balance and your max buy in Bitcoin below. I'm going to put in $100 of USDT now. Before we go ahead and buy, I'm just going to show you the fees. So as you can see, OKX fees are really competitive with 0.08% for maker fees and 0.1% for taker fees. When you're happy, you can go ahead and buy. Before you place your order, you're going to receive an order confirmation, which you can stop from displaying every time if you wish. And you'll just need to confirm from here. Your order will then complete immediately at the current market price. And the Bitcoin that we've now traded for is appearing under My Assets. And you can view your specific balance for your trading account under Trading. Plus, under the Order Center is where you can view your completed orders, which also shows you a bit more detail, such as the exact price that you traded at. Next, let's take a look at a different type of order, which is called a limit order. So from the basic trading screen, if we select limit, with a limit order, you don't have to accept what the current market price is currently at. So you could choose to trade when the price of Bitcoin hits a certain amount. So this could help you to minimize losses. Or you can buy it when the price drops to a certain value. This time, I'm going to choose to sell my Bitcoin for USDT when the price hits a certain value. So I need to be on the sell side. Here I can state that when the price of Bitcoin reaches $39,700, I want to sell my Bitcoin for USDT. And I'm going to trade just under $100 of Bitcoin, as that's what I've currently got. And I can enter that in BTC, USDT, or again I can use the slider to select a percentage of my portfolio. When I choose Sell BTC, my limit order will then be placed, and it's then going to wait for the market to reach this price. And you can view open orders from the bottom of the screen under the Open Orders tab. As you can see, this order is currently open. And open orders can be cancelled if they've not yet been filled. So if you have made a mistake, or if you'd like to change the limit price, you can cancel the order. And then simply try again, which I'm going to do now at $39,600, which is a little bit closer to the current market price, and therefore it's likely to fill during this video. Now, whilst we wait for the market to hopefully reach that value, I'm going to quickly take you through what the TPSL order type is and how it works. So with take profit and stop loss, it's a two-step process. First, you set a trigger price, which will then trigger your market order. For example, if you own Bitcoin and you're worried about the price falling, you could set a stop price lower than the current market price or at the price that you paid, so that you don't make a loss. Once the price falls to or below this stop price, your market order is then activated. Now I'm just going to fast forward a few minutes now and see whether or not the market has reached my limit order price. And my trade is no longer appearing under open orders. Instead, you can view it under the Order History tab, where we'll then see the order details, including our limit price and the amounts here. So that's the different ways that you can trade on OKX Basic Trading. But we can also earn with our crypto. So let's select that from the Grow drop-down from the top of the screen. Now this is a way that you can earn interest on your crypto that may just be sat idle in your wallet otherwise. Under the Earn Overview tab, you can then search and find any offers that are available. For example, I'm holding USDT now that I've just traded for. And currently we can earn up to an estimated 19% APY with this simple earn. And this is a flexible offer, and that means that I can withdraw my crypto at any time if I do need those funds. And there's variable rates depending on the crypto that you're holding and the different types of staking offers. When I choose subscribe, I can then see the rate and any related reward rules. To go ahead, I enter in an amount of USDT that I'd like to stake. Then agree to the terms and conditions and choose to subscribe when I'm ready. And as I said, these can be withdrawn or redeemed at any time. So as you can see, I'm now earning, and I can check my total deposit, total profit, and yesterday's profit from the Earn Overview screen. Or I can click on to view my earnings for more detail. Now with the offer that I'm currently subscribed to, if at any time I want to come out of earning, I can select the crypto, choose to redeem, and this is obviously because this is a flexible term allowing me to redeem at any time, and this may vary depending if you're on a fixed rate. Next, let's take a look at how to withdraw from OKX. So if you've traded or bought your crypto and you want to store it somewhere safe like a hardware wallet, you're going to need to withdraw it from OKX. It's not recommended that you keep your crypto on an exchange long term, and it's far safer to keep your assets under your own control with access to your private keys. And in this example, I'm going to show you how to withdraw to a Ledger hardware wallet. And I've got links below for some different hardware wallets. From the Assets drop-down, choose Withdraw. And then select the crypto that you'd like to withdraw. You're then asked for a withdrawal method, which is either on-chain, which as it states is to a wallet or exchange, or internal if you're transferring to other OKX users. As I said, I'm withdrawing to my hardware wallet, so I'm going to select on-chain. You then need to copy your receive address from over on your hardware wallet or wherever you're withdrawing your crypto to, and then paste that into the USDT address. Or you can scan the QR code. Then choose the network, just making sure that it is the same as the address that you're sending to. Enter an amount, and you'll see the network fee for sending the transaction, how much you'll receive, and then you can submit your withdrawal by choosing Next. I'm not going to go ahead with this, but the crypto would then withdraw to the destination that you've entered. Lastly, we're going to take a look at how to sell your crypto for a fiat currency. Now, OKX doesn't actually have fiat markets that you can trade USDT for GBP, for example, but they do have the buy crypto option that we looked at earlier, which had a sell tab. From the buy crypto screen, choose sell, then select the crypto that you want to sell. Enter the amount, as well as the currency that you'd like to exchange it to. When you select Sell USDT, the available sell options will then display. And these will vary depending on your location, the currency and the crypto and the amount that you've chosen. And you then need to follow the on-screen instructions for that specific method to continue to sell this for fiat. But that completes our tutorial of the OKX exchange for beginners. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.